Hello students, in today's lecture, we will understand the program to print average of all elements of an array. Before understanding the program, we will understand the concept. We have an integer array, marks, of size 5. We have initialized array with elements 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Step 1. Find the sum of elements of array. So, 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 is 70. Step 2. Find average. Average can be calculated by dividing sum of elements by number of elements. 70 divided by 5 is 14. Now, with the help of program, we will implement the concept. In the main function, we have declared and initialized integer array marks. Size of marks is 5 and elements stored in marks are 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now, we have declared and initialized two float variables. Float average equal to 0.0f and sum equal to 0.0f. Now, we have to find sum of elements of array. In for loop, sum plus equal to marks and in square brackets I. Plus equal to is a shorthand assignment operator. So, elements from index 0 to 4 are added and result is assigned in variable sum, which is 70. Now, average equal to sum divided by 5. 70 divided by 5 is 14. Now, printf statement print average marks is 14. And our program ends here. Here is the output. Average marks is 14.6 number of zeros. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.